Okay, so I hope everyone can hear me good. I know quality of the sharing screen and stuff like that is a little bit poor because I don't have Discord Nitro yet. I will buy really soon. It's like $10 a month. So first I will go over some new stuff like quarters theory and indicators for quarters theory. Also high and lows of the day, beat Enigma 2.0, and last daily direction, daily buys. Okay, so first I have this white background, so I will have to lower brightness a little bit of the logo. So of course UTC -4, we have midnight open, and here midnight open again. Here's one whole day. So what we need to do is mark previous day low and previous day high. Let's say we are in this day right here, and this is our previous day. Okay, previous day low, previous day high. So I don't know how much you can see, but this right here is also level. This right here. So yeah, it's poor visibility of this line, but yeah, bottom of the biggest circle is previous day low, and top of the biggest circle is gonna be previous day high, like this. It has to match, as you can see. Okay, perfect. So bottom of the biggest circle, previous day low, top of the biggest circle, previous day high. And this line right here, there we will put midnight open. So midnight open is around here, yeah, around here, as you can see, somewhere here. Okay, perfect. Now we have 1, 2, 3 levels and one up here. So this is our potential high of the day, target, or our take profit or something like that. I will show you how you can use this, not only to predict high of the day. Then we have low of the day, one low of the day zone right here, one low of the day zone right here, second low of the day zone right here, and third low of the day zone is right here. Okay, so first let's actually see where is it. Yeah, right here. So first what we can see, accumulation phase, I think news are right here or something, yeah. Okay, now this is my whole strategy. So first, daily direction, daily buys are clearly bullish. We have zones right here, so if daily direction is bullish, I'm not gonna be entering shorts off of high of the day zone. I'm gonna be entering shorts off of the low of the day zones, but I'm waiting for reaction. Okay, so first we have 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. LTF Enigma model. Price swept the high but didn't touch zones I want to enter, so basically no trade. Looking for 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Okay, we have 9 a.m. low right here. Here, price swept 9 a.m. low, so that means I'm looking for buys, but I want to see price tapping into one of these 3 low of the day zones. Okay, so what can we see? Price sweeping, of course, low, and I don't know is this tap or no, but let's say it is something like sniper entry. I'm looking for some POIs or liquidity levels at these zones right here. First we have this zone right here, we have this liquidity level right here that got turtle souped, actually, beautiful. Okay, so let's say we got tap right here, and also now quarters theory comes into play. So this is the indicator I use. It's showing like whole levels, as you can see. Price tapped into this level right here, also into Enigma 2.0 low of the day zone and bullish direction. So this will be beautiful entry for a buy. and also 9 a.m. sleep. So this will be beautiful, beautiful entry for a buy. And also, yeah. But I usually don't want to buy without any reaction or something. You can look for CISD. My favorite is market structure shift. So I'm gonna, now let's see. Our market structure shift would be, okay, swept 9 a.m. low, broke this low, and our market structure shift level would be this right here, basically. Yeah, a little bit choppy because of news. So yeah, and a lot of you probably knows that I like to enter. I like to enter from a breakout or from the breaker block right here, retest. So let's say we would enter right here off of this breaker block. Our stop loss, let's say this is too big. I use minimum about 5.5 pips, or we can go below this candle like this. Okay, and for TP1, we can aim for Enigma high of the day zone right here, which is 2.5 R. That's okay with really high win rate. We can even have 1 hour, so it really does not matter. But I like to have more than 2.5, more than 2 hour. Okay, first TP here, or partial or break even. Second TP at the top. Okay, this is 3.6 R. And here's how you can also use this zone. Price broke that with really strong momentum, as you can see. Retested that, also tapping into fair value gap. So, and beautifully bouncing higher. Another tap in, bounce, same thing again. So yeah, you can use zones like that also. So then our last TP, you can even target quarter theory levels, but yeah, it's not that important. Most of the time I use based on my drawn on liquidity and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't have TradingView Premium. So yeah, that would be really nice 4.5 hour trade. Now I'm gonna show you next example. And by the way, these zones right here are still valid, as you can see, even though they got touched. This is really, yeah, not even a touch actually, but still quarter theory level, and turtle soup and 9 a.m. low and market structure shift. Basically you can take a nice long position. Still quarter theory level, Enigma 2.0 untouched zone, I would say. Boom, tap in. What do we see? 9 a.m. low swept, beautiful. Our market structure shift would be, okay, so we broke the low, we broke the high. Now we can enter off of, I would personally enter off of breaker block right here, stop loss at the low, and now take profit. It would be previous day high. Boom. Winning news easily, yeah, of course. I actually send out, I didn't know, did I send out a signal? But you can, if you go on trades I take and PNL, you would see that I took this trade. It was around 18 hour. So yeah, also 9 a.m. low swept. We could basically re-enter again here, and easy news trade. You can see almost take profit hit, but it was tap into rejection block and quarter theory level, as you can see. For our second TP, it could be this data high, quarter theory level, so we could catch pretty big move because of news. Also, as you can see, and you see how quarter theory levels are getting respected. So that's why I like to use it as confirmation or targets. So let me just remove this. Midnight. Okay, from the low to the high. Okay, and now open is actually here. Okay, so what we can see, the really interesting thing is how some of the levels with Enigma 2.0 are beautifully aligning with quarters theory, as you can see. So low of the day zone here, one low of the day zone here, and one low of the day zone here. Okay, so you could take like ping pong trade with really high R and sell and buy, catching low and high of the day. So I'm gonna show you right now high of the day zone. I'm gonna just move logo right here. I think this was news. I don't know. Weird candle. So high of the day Enigma 2.0 zone. Let's identify some POIs. We have this beautiful big fair value gap. We have this inversion fair value gap, and we have higher time frame order block around this area, and we have this liquidity level right here. Basically relative equal highs. Okay, as you can see, turtle soup tapping into Enigma 2.0 zone, pushing lower, creating market structure shift level right here. I wouldn't count this as market structure shift, but I would count this. Price pushes lower. Our entry would not be at this breaker right here, at this fair value gap or this one. Our entry would be at this fair value gap right here. And the reason is because, do you see how beautiful is aligning with quarters theory level? So now you knew this fair value gap is gonna probably get respected. Okay, entry, stop loss, like we can do 6 pips, and take profits, we can target these quarters theory levels or Enigma 2.0 zones. As you can see, 8R here, 9.5R here, high of the day, low of the day area. Also ping pong trade, you can see win. Yeah, really nice. And how you could confirm this trade, not only Enigma 2.0 zone is, and also the lower time frame zones we can see at 3 a.m. Okay, I have video about fib settings with my lower time frames. Power of 3 zones for lower time frame. As you can see, high swept, high of the 3 a.m. swept. Also 210, high swept, strong confirmation for a sell. Boom, displacement lower, creating market structure shift, and also fair value gap that is beautifully aligning with quarters theory level. Entry here, sniper entry here. This was not sniper entry, but still it's really big R trade. As you can see, really nice trades, and also respecting this zone right here. What we can see, this is what I was talking about. Break above with displacement, retest, pushing higher, retest, pushing higher into these quarters theory levels. Also this level, beautiful right here. This is based on rejection block. They have a rejection block with the levels. Okay, as you can see, beautiful push higher, taking out this liquidity. Now what did we have here? Yeah, this is the trade I was looking at, but I didn't take it. This high right here was specific because, for example, we had 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Here I didn't care really about 9 a.m. but 6 a.m. got swept, and my daily direction was bullish. But also I had data low below because of news, so I could take small scalp. As y'all can see, really weird market structure shift right here, and also 6 a.m. low swept, quarters theory level, market structure shift, fair value gap, entry, boom. And why would you take profit at this high? This is time-based liquidity high, and the reason why this high was so special, because if we take a look, midnight to 12, as you can see, we have 12 a.m. low that got taken out, pushing higher, and we have 12 a.m. high. You can also look at this way: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And we had order block above here. So this would be your key take profit. As you can see, price taps in, creates market structure shift with displacement, left big fair value gap, and pushed lower a lot, as you can see. And the also possible entry, if you wouldn't qualify this as market structure shift, you could wait break of this level and enter of the retest of the better retest for sniper entries. That's why I like so much quarters theory. Like, you can see how price is beautifully respecting the levels, but not every single level. You have to use them properly. Also with Enigma 2.0, that's how I like. And also I did 101 calls, by the way. Predicted this, I think it was, yeah, this was previous day high of the day. Predicted this high of the day, by the way, based on also this fib levels and reaction displacement. Now I will go over the daily direction, daily bias, and actually higher time frame bias. Let's start with the DXY as always. Whoa. Okay, so monthly time frame. This is my drawn on liquidity. The reason why, and here's weak rejection block. The reason why this is my drawn on liquidity, because price took out the low, and the price took out the high, bounced into fair value gap, and the low that was created when price took out this high was this. So this is my drawn on liquidity, so I'm expecting something like this, or maybe even something like this. There's rejection block areas, so I have to be careful. So yeah, basically I'm looking for higher prices, also nice fair value gap here. Weekly time frame. This is the rejection block I was talking about. A nice turtle soup right here. A nice bounce off of 0.75% of this fair value gap, which is beautifully matching with the inversion fair value gap weekly. Now let's go on a daily time frame. Okay, so what could we see? I predicted this move down there. I called this move down there. I called this move up here. And now we have a bunch of new opening gaps right here, and that result to push lower. It was beautiful. So I thought price is gonna push higher than lower, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Maybe by sweeping this low, push higher than lower, or maybe even into this order block or something. Rejection block. We have on the lower time frame equal highs somewhere right there. So yeah, it would be nice seeing price taking out equal highs and pushing lower. So let's go on a 4 hour. Yeah, right here. Relative equal highs. Yeah, actually they're relative. Here equal lows on lower time frames. So can I identify market maker model here? Range here. Yeah, original consolidation starting here. Also Stoic Trader said the same thing, by the way. The original consolidation starting here. We have nice new opening gap here. Did we go bounce? I don't know. So price will probably consolidate around this area. We created order block. Turtle soup tapping into this order block right here. 1 hour. Yeah, nothing special. We can go on the EUR USD, And now this is where it gets really interesting. Okay, so let's go on a monthly time frame. Oh, I have to remove this. So price bounced off of this breaker block higher. It was actually really nice push higher. Target is this high right here, which is previous one high. So we could target something big. Weekly target. Okay, so if you watched one of the first videos about USD bias, I predicted push. Actually, I predicted push up here and push lower, taking out previous week low. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I predicted that whole move. We have nice bounce off of the propulsion block actually, an order block here, fair value gap, which I was looking for, expecting bounce, and it happened. So yeah, target is this relative equal highs up here. Now daily time frame. There's a nice news 1 hour inversion fair value gap, which I'm looking for something like this, and I'm expecting bounce off of this daily rejection block, which we are already getting, and I would like to see tomorrow bearish daily bias, and it seems like that's gonna happen, and that would be so nice to take a nice short, to take really nice short, not small trade, not gonna lie. There is potential, I can see potential for sure. But 4 hour time frame, beautiful turtle soup right here, pushing lower. Again, this liquidity area getting swept, not closing above with a wick, creating 4 hour market structure shift slowly, and that is really nice, really strong sign for a bearish daily direction tomorrow. And I'm looking at this area, basically this 3.5 level, because there is price can bounce off of this fair value gap and this order block, so I'm expecting this or this, but keep in mind that this fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, is really strong. Okay, so tomorrow we will see if Enigma will farm good. And so yeah, overall something like that. But let's go on a 1 hour time frame. We already got beautiful market structure shift on 1 hour time frame and bounced off of this fair value gap really nicely. Yeah, there is not equal lows, that's a little bit sad. There is 15-minute time frame new opening gap, which is also really important because it's looking really strong. Yeah, what we can see is market maker model. So yeah, this is original consolidation. What I think is gonna happen, we are starting to consolidate. So what I think is gonna happen, consolidation around here and pushing higher. So market maker buy model slowly forming, or this same thing but from this area right here. Okay, so this is I would say original consolidation. I would see how this will go in the future. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it's looking really nice. Yeah, I'll call this high of the day, this previous high of the day. So yeah, it was really nice. But yeah, that's overall my bias on EURUSD and DXY. So EURUSD expecting pullback lower. Tomorrow is what day? I'm so lost. Tomorrow I'm expecting push lower, where we can catch. Let's see. Let's say I got accumulation, manipulation. Yeah. So this is tomorrow price call. accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So I think we can catch around, let's say something like, ooh, nice equal lows. Yeah, we can catch something like this. Actually, this can be really good trade, not gonna lie. This can be really good trade, and then taking profit of this nice new opening gap and creating that market maker sell model, original consolidation of the lower time frame, and then beautiful. Yeah, this can be really beautiful, and we have equal lows here also. So yeah, I'm expecting tomorrow sell, and then in the future strong buys all the way up here. This is also time-based liquidity area based on IPDA or IPDA, look back period. But also it would be nice to scale some partials at some fib level. Let me actually do that right now to see where would be that. Yeah, I don't have that right now. But yeah, somewhere right, yeah, this level right here. I'm gonna have this level marked. And it's a whole level, it's quarter stereo level, by the way. Yeah, so this will be my area where I would like to take some partials. So by the way, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, open, high, low, and close. And also area and POI, what I will be watching is this right here. This is really strong weekly, new opening gap, and we can see accumulation, manipulation, distribution, power of 3 also. So yeah, let's see, let's confirm with the levels. Yeah, this level right here is real close to this level right here, so we can already see that this level is gonna probably be sniperly respected. I don't know if that was nice, I don't know if that was even a word. So yeah, probably sniper off of this level right here. I will also tomorrow update everyone about my levels and stuff like that. 5-minute time frame. Yeah, nice inversion fair value gap. There was potential trade, but not aligning with Enigma 2.0. Yeah, it was Asia high sweep, nothing special, not even touching this area right here, which is matching with -2 area right here of Asia CBDR. So yeah, that would be basically it. And also, what I want you to do is focus on 3 a.m. to 3:55 a.m. They're always, almost every single day, reversal happens. Almost every single day, reversal. So this is really important. Like strong reversal right here. And also 8:30, same thing. 8:30, strong reversal. And also 10 a.m. NAS 100 creates same thing. And I'll show you something right now. I'm backtesting currently one strategy. It's also based on power of 3. It's based on 4-hour power of 3. I will stop sharing my screen for a second. Okay, I hope y'all can see my screen right now. So I'm currently backtesting a really interesting strategy, which is 9 a.m. 4-hour power of 3. This works beautifully on NQ and EURUSD. Okay, so I'm currently backtesting it on EURUSD, and what do we have? Win. This was win. No trade. This was win. Win. This was, I think, yeah, also win. So yeah, it's for now doing pretty good. And by the way, this is strategy I paid for. So yeah, it's not something crazy. It's not based with Enigma or something like that, but it's good confirmation because 9 a.m. You see, 9 a.m. from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. accumulation phase. But after 9 a.m. you want to look for power of 3 and something like that. I will make a video about this strategy. It's nothing too crazy, but please, 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 don't tell anybody that I showed you this strategy for free, because there is one guy selling it. I bought, nothing too crazy. It has around, it can go from 50 to 85% win rate. So for now, it's doing pretty good. This was August, yeah. Still not in September yet. So yeah, but overall in September I'm expecting pretty good volume, price action, pretty big moves where we can catch beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trades. There is potential to pass funded account even in one trade. Like crazy our trades are soon. So yeah, this is really good month, and this is where I perform the best, and I will send every trade I take. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all like the call. Call is recorded. I will cancel